Welcome to AI Tech World. I'm Aura, and today we're exploring one of the most ambitious goals in artificial intelligence, AGI, or artificial general intelligence. Get ready for a fascinating journey into what could be humanity's most significant technological achievement. Here's what we'll cover. First, the fundamental difference between today's AI and AGI. Then, the essential building blocks that would make true AGI possible. We'll also explore the major technical and ethical challenges involved. And finally, how AGI could revolutionize our entire world. Ready to understand the future of artificial intelligence? Let's dive in. To better understand AGI, let's compare it with today's AI systems. Current AI is like a specialist. It needs specific training for each task. But AGI would be more like a human learner, adapting to new situations without specific training. While today's AI excels at pattern recognition, it lacks true understanding. AGI would grasp context and meaning, just like we do. The path to creating AGI requires several breakthroughs. We need deep learning systems that think more like the human brain, advanced language understanding, and the ability to understand cause and effect, not just patterns. Scientists are taking different approaches. Some try to replicate brain functions, others use artificial evolution, and some combine multiple technologies. Think of it this way. Current AI is like knowing a script by heart, while AGI would be like truly understanding the story and being able to write new ones. Now let's dream big for a second. What could AGI really do? Solving global problems. AGI could simulate and analyze solutions to humanity's toughest challenges, like curing diseases, reversing climate change, or designing limitless clean energy sources. Imagine a world where cancer or poverty is eradicated because AGI worked out the answers we couldn't, revolutionizing science and technology. AGI could speed up discoveries in physics, biology, and engineering. It could design spacecraft that take us to other galaxies or invent materials stronger and lighter than anything we've ever seen. Personalized problem solving. On a smaller scale, AGI could act as your personal assistant on steroids. It could tutor kids in every subject, manage your business, or even write custom songs or books based on your preferences. Redefining creativity. AGI could unlock levels of creativity we haven't imagined. While narrow AI can generate art or music, AGI could invent entire new genres of art, blending cultures and ideas in ways that surprise even us. If AGI sounds like a game changer, you're probably wondering, why don't we have it already? The truth is, while today's AI can mimic intelligence in narrow areas, it still lacks something crucial: true understanding. For AGI to work, it needs to learn and adapt like humans, understand context, emotions, and abstract reasoning, be able to transfer knowledge from one area to another without specific training. Leading AI companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, Anthropic, and many are working hard to crack these challenges. And here's the bombshell. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, has openly discussed both the benefits and risks of AGI, even suggesting it could arrive by 2025. Of course, AGI isn't just exciting, it's also risky. The biggest concern? Alignment. If AGI becomes smarter than humans, how do we ensure it shares our values and goals? An AGI could easily misinterpret a command with unintended consequences. Think of the classic genie in a bottle scenario. What happens if we wish for something but the AGI delivers it in a dangerous way? Other concerns include job displacement. AGI could automate almost every job. Ethical misuse. Governments or bad actors could weaponize AGI. Existential risks. If we lose control of AGI, it could become dangerous in ways we can't predict. So what do you think about AGI, and when do you think we'll achieve it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI Tech World for more in-depth content about artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. This is Aura, signing off from AI Tech World. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.